Okay, what is this thing? All right, cool. And then I just want to show you a couple things. Hold on, Daniel.
Mommy.
Okay, here's my little Indian scene. Okay, I'm just trying to show you my little Indian scene. Daniel, turn it down. Indian. Oh yeah, here's even the little moccasin. And I've got a lot of new ones this year. I think I got them at the end of the year last year. I'm trying to find them. I think we got Pinocchio. Emma want to know, who's this? Who's this? Here's Pinocchio. And there's my Utah flag. Anyway, I just love it. Oh, there's the string bean. It's supposed to be a moon. And Raggedy Ann. Anyway, we're loving it. Let me get the family now. Oh. Emma, what do you have there? What do you have there, Emma?
So the store's real close to you if you'd like that.
Oh, I know. I've been there many times. It's what's this called? Yeah, we go and look at them all the time. She really likes animals. We're at the Christmas party. I'll just scan the room. 1994. There's Adeline. Mary. Hello, our world traveler. She's back from New York. David.
Hi, Martha.
Hey, sweetie. Merry Christmas. All right, Chase. Chase, Merry Christmas. Oh, look, here's his... And there's Gabriel. Gabriel, show us your snowman on your sweatshirt. So cute. And then Daniel. Daniel.
Oh, hi.
And a nice tree. And Judy. Judy.
Tired old
Judy.
She's
bye.
leaving. Goodbye. Let me get your little guy.
Judy.
Okay, Sammy. Sam. Look at Martha. Hey. He's almost 2 years old. Let's see, how many days left? In about a week, right? Hi, sweetie. Day after Christmas. He's 2 years old. You know what? I think he got his haircut. He looks like a big boy. Merry Christmas, Sam.
You come closer. And there's a zoom. Do you see the zoom?
Wait, where?
There you go.
Hey.
Hey.
Merry Christmas.
There's the Siegel family. Wave. Hi. It's a...
Daniel's over there at the machine.
Where's...
There's
Dave. Dave, turn around. Dave. Dave's back ahead.
Where'd you guys get the tree?
Really, Safeway?
I love it.
We got ours at Costco. Really?
I'm going to take it.
Here's
Mary. Hi, Mary. Mary. Hi.
$20. What size?
All right, I got it. You're so...
Really?
I'm sorry.
You believe that?
Okay, push the button back.
Costco, huh?
Just hit the red button again. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, and there's Gail. Hi, Gail. Let's see. Well, who's that? There's Chase. Chase, hi, Chase. There's Martha again in the kitchen.
Oh, I'm gonna get the buns out.
There's Peter. Hey, Peter. Hey. The buns.
Buns are going in.
The buns. Mmm. Love those buns. Hey.
15 minutes.
Woo. Oh, what happened to David Lamar? He's not in here. Okay. Say hi again, Gail.
Hi.
I'm sorry, I'm going crazy here.
She's in here.
Oh, here's Sophie. Hi, Sophie. What?
Get the sponge in her hand.
Where's the sponge?
I've always got it.
Always in her hand.
Let me show you the zoom.
Okay. This is the zoom right here. Whoa! Oh, perfect.
You don't want to go like flying too, like too fast. But Karen, where's the timer?
Okay, this is my first time on here, so here's David Lamont. David Lamont. Hi, David.
Hi, I'm the token.
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 How you doing? This is Martin.
Hello.
We've all met up before.
Hello.
Here we are.
Oh, here's Karen.
Christmas at the Zenchuses.
Christmas '94.
Say something. You did, you probably should have.
Okay, I'm turning this off.
Do you not turn off? There we go.
Here we go. Okay, what do you want to say?
What do you want to say,
Merry
Gail?
Christmas.
How many years
I
have
want
you been?
everybody to know that we haven't told anybody this yet, but
Watch
we're
out.
having another baby in 6 months. Gail is pregnant.
No, I'm not.
She believes it.
Neon Dion's ready.
Do it, Mom. She's doing Neon Dion. Okay. Come on, Mother. The tape is rolling.
We gotta catch her.
I try to be fast. She's doing her moves for the. Okay, here's the little kid table. Chase went there. Sam and Emma, say hello. Emma. Hi, Sam. Here's David.
Hi, Martha.
David's belly. Okay, this is the big kid table.
Anyone
And
seen you?
there's like 4 gingerbread houses. There's a big kid. There's David. Mom and Dad. Jeff in his brand new sweater. Mary. Let's get Mary. Gwen. This is the big kid table. Judy. And who's right there? Karen, the hostess grande. There you went, Peter. Is you and Chase over there now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you guys doing okay?
Yes. And then go up the thing and there's like all these
There's a
lights.
little love bunch.
Dashing through the. Okay.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, oh. Karen over there. There's Mom back there.
Hey, I
Yay.
think we're good.
Whoa.
Open. Want me to help her open it, you guys?
It's not going to be a pretty sight.
Daniel.
And then let her do the paper, but get that ribbon.
No, no,
We'll just get the ribbon on. Yeah, this is Christmas. This is one you'll remember, right?
There's Sam. We were waiting.
While we were starting youngest.
Hey, Daniel.
You'll be next.
Daniel Siegel.
Turn back. So that the
Daniel.
Oh my.
Daniel Siegel. Daniel.
Show it to Daddy. Show it to the camera. Show Dad the camera. Turn around. Say, Dad, see? Show your daddy he's over there.
Emma, let me see.
Emma, who is that?
Look at your
What
dad.
is it? What is it?
Oh boy, Little Mermaid.
She loves that. Where's Judy? Right here. She loves that movie. Judy, where's Sam?
That's like,
Okay, Sam.
Emma, what do you say?
You gotta watch.
It's just football stuff. No. Oh, yay! Fun sale. What do you say?
Daniel, open yours. Listen, Sophie, give it to him. Give it to him. That's for him. Sophie, give it to him.
Judy. Peter. Well, there's
No,
one.
it's not mine. It's from Samantha. I mean, I'm like,
Samantha.
I don't know.
Look at this little outfit.
No, I got it.
That is cool.
What is it? Oh, it's
Hold it up again, Dale.
Daisy Gale.
Hold it up again.
Hold all your
Hold it up, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, that is the coolest. And keep her kid stuff in there. Go get your doll. Go get your doll. Oh, neat. What do you say? And the drawing paper shows that.
All right.
It's
Dan, what did you get?
Push this in and then.
Oh.
Ask him.
Let's see. Wow, Dan.
Daniel, what do you say to Peter?
Thank you.
Wait, who gave it to you, Peter, right?
No, I gave it to him. Mine. Did you go? You did?
Peter, you can open that one.
And a drawing pad. I want to see some artistic work here.
Okay, we're starting from oldest to the youngest.
The elegance of the packaging, everybody noticed? Been Mary. All right. Now we've got a Texas magnet to continue my collection of the states. Oh, look in the stairway. Cool. It's got a little thing on it.
Thanks, Martha.
Oh, you're welcome. Now listen, I'll talk to you about that. Hi, Sam.
4 states. I need to get one.
Is it too low?
I got it. Yeah, I got it. Bring this
Voodoo Dreams. Oh, Marie Laveau. This is a very interesting book about the woman who is the voodoo queen in New Orleans.
Whoa.
Very interesting. Book's fantastic. You've already read it? No, I've never read it.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Marie Laveau. She's very famous.
Hi, Emma.
Thanks, Mary. Emma, look.
Yeah.
Look, I'm going to change.
I'll pass it along.
I'm going to Emma. No. I got it.
Go for it. Marcia's wasting her tape on here.
Hi, honey.
This is like a New York box.
Emma, get off of your mom.
Okay, you're doing this slowly, darling.
Turn off the tape for a second. Whoa!
Whoa, fancy. Oh, you need them. It's Rudolph.
These are beautiful, Mary. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous.
What are they made out of?
They're leather. They are
Oh my
beautiful with
gosh.
fur linings.
These are too fancy for you.
Oh, good girl. Put it back on, Emmy. Try it again, one more time. Oh, isn't that cute? Good girl.
Well, Dad already owns it.
I don't know where you're at.
Okay.
That's all right. Yes.
Look at these lovely. They're like holiday-like.
Oh, I love those sparkles. This came from Gwen.
When?
And Dave. Dave.
So cool. Yeah, they saw this before.
Whoops, oh, was that the price tag? Well, somehow I thought, oh.
They're so nice. Solely ours, intimate.
And somehow I thought Marcus told me.
Well, I saw this one that was a camouflage thing. It looks like a fish.
Perfect, okay.
But I never saw this with the little handles on it. It's totally cool. I think she loves it more than Dick. Yo, Gabe is gonna
She already thinking about what she gonna put in it. There's so much stuff right there.
Martha, you better hurry. We're running out of tape.
There it is. Oh, Gwen. Perfect. I asked Gwen for some, Jeff. Oh.
Whoa.
Isn't that great? This is just exactly. Oh my God. Oh,
And they match. Whoa.